Welcome back, folks. Today it's the Crypto Lunatic, and I'm going to bring you five Degen coins that you can buy on Revolut. Now, before we go on any further, I'm not sponsored by Revolut. It is only a preferred platform that when I speak to my friends about getting involved in crypto, that it's the easiest way for them. A lot of them already have Revolut accounts, so I just say, look, just transfer some money into crypto. So what I've done, I've listed all of Revolut's cryptos. I've put them on a little list and I've looked down it and I've seen which is the lowest market cap ones or which are the sub 20 million market cap. This is the degen zone, folks. So let's explain this from the beginning. The lower the market cap, the more chance it has to have explosive gains. I mean, it also has more chance of completely wiping out, which is why I'm bringing you five of these. They're very high risk, but potentially high reward. These are the Degen portfolio on Revolut. So if you're looking for safe investments, this isn't it, and this definitely isn't investment advice. This is just me. I've listed all of the cryptos on Revolut, and I found five that are under 20 million market cap. And this is for the degens. This is for degens. Now, what are degens? Degens are the ones in crypto that take massive, massive risks. And realistically, you don't want to be spending a large portion of your portfolio on this. This is generally, you don't want to be putting more than 5% of what you're investing in into the degen stuff. But if you are going to have a degen play, then I'm going to bring you five easy to access on Revolut. Under 20 million market cap cryptos. So that's the caveat, folks. You're not going to get like detailed research. You're just going to get a general overview. And for people that know my channel, you'll know that there's very few metrics that I focus on. And market cap's one of them. Circulating supply is another. So let me take you on a little journey of five low market cap coins that you can find on Revolut. So I'm going to share my screen now. Here's number one, seamless protocol. So we've got a market cap of 13.94 million. So this is very low. It's an opportunity to get in. Now we look at the circulating supply. Now 33% isn't great, folks. I'm going to tell you that it isn't great. But the fact is that this is traced back. It's very low on the market cap. And look, you can see it's had a bit of a bruise and a battering of late. So what is seamless protocol? Well, this probably won't mean much to you if you're new to crypto. It's a first native decentralized non-custodial lending and borrowing protocol on Base Network. Now, Base Network is one of the big networks. It's one of the new networks, and a lot of good projects are there. It's generally cheap to trade on there. So it's definitely high risk, potentially high reward, and that's seamless protocol. Our second one, let's go to this one. This is AirSwap. Now, look, that's under a 10 million market cap, which is proper degen zone and 41% of the max supply. So the circulating supply is 41%, which isn't great, but let's look at this, folks. So the early stage investors that got in, they got in at 35 cents and they're down 87%. So that tells me that the chances dumpage in this is very low. It also tells me that the chance that you might lose everything is very high. But this is degen. This is the degen zone, folks. And we like this. We like looking at the ICO. What did the early stage investors get in at? This is the critical. And not all of the coins have this. Seamless doesn't have this information on CryptoRank. So they pay 35 cents. You can get in for 4.5 cents, folks. So you can get in at a fraction of the price that the early stage seed investors got in. So that is the critical matrix. Let's have a look, or metric. Let's have a look here. So it's a decentralized peer-to-peer trading network built on the Ethereum blockchain of buying and selling tokens on AirSwap. Now, what's relevant about this is Ethereum has had a really bad time. A lot of people are saying that it's had a bad time. It's terrible. Ethereum is lost, and it probably is. Solana's definitely taking the lead on this stuff, folks. But Ethereum has not had its day in the sun in this bull market, and it almost definitely will. So when that happens, AirSwap is likely to benefit. And at this sort of low market cap, you can be sure that that it's proper degen, folks. So that's the second one is AirSwap. Voxies. Now you'll know on this channel that I've done a few videos on Voxies. Crypto gaming, I believe, is going to have a big day in the sun, and it hasn't yet. Nothing's pumped in crypto gaming yet, folks. Voxies, and for 7 cents, I think this is a good one. So you're under the 20 million market cap here. But this is the good part, folks. Look, 74.6% are already circulating. For a game, that's a really good percentage and reduces the potential for dumpage as we go along. So this is a free-to-play, 3D turn tactical RPG game on the blockchain. By all means, look it up. I've done videos on Voxies. But let's go to the critical element. Let's go to the token sale, which is where it's all at. And you will find that the early stage investors got in at 20 cents, and you can get in for almost a third of that. They're down 61% on their investment. So the early stage mavericks that got involved paid 3 times more virtually than you would pay if you got in on now, which is why it's a degen coin. So Voxies is that one. The next one, Bluezell. Now, this is slightly higher risk because it was deplatformed on a couple of exchanges, which is why the price tanked. But don't be frightened by this, folks. Just because they've been delisted doesn't mean that they've stopped growing. So Bluezell, yes, it had a bit of a rough time. It dropped down a little bit. But they're not just one game, they're a gaming studio. So they've got multiple games. You can see that the market cap is particularly low. We're under the 20 million market limit. And not only that, the circulating supply is 92%. Now that's phenomenal tokenomics, folks, which tells me potential for dumpage is very, very low. So let's go to how much did the early stage investors pay to get in for this? And you can see at their ICO back in 2018, they're on a 66.8% loss, folks. The private round, they're on a 66.8% loss. So here you can see even the people that got in right at the very early seed are down on their investment. Really, right at the very, very beginning, they're down as well. So this is very high risk, high reward, great tokenomics. And it's definitely one degen to look at. And at this price, I think that's phenomenal. Next one is League of Kingdoms. And again, look, we're under the 20 million market cap mark for that. You can see that the circulating supply, that's not so good, 29%. But I'm going to tell you why that doesn't matter, because when we go to fundraising, you can see that even the seed thing are only up 11%, which is nothing, folks. And they've been in since 2021. The people that got in at the IEO, they're 30% down. So you're virtually getting in at the same price as the seed investors in this project, folks. So they haven't made much profit on this. In fact, virtually nothing. 11% is nothing in crypto, folks. Nothing. So League of Kingdoms, it's a crypto game. Crypto gaming, as you know, if you follow this channel, I think is the spotlight has not gone to crypto gaming yet. We haven't had its run in the sun on this bull market. So I do believe that League of Kingdoms is a great option. So there you go. You can read a bit more about it there, but I won't bore you. You can find all of this on CryptoRank. And the next one, Harvest Finance. Now, I have to admit, I'm not even in this one, but it came up on my degen list. So I thought I'd list it just so that I can be objective and not plug all of the stuff that I'm in. I'm not in this, and I'm not in Seamless either, folks, just so that you know. These are degens. These are sub 20 million market cap coins you can find on Revolut. And here we go. So it's under there. We see, look at the tokenomics are fantastic here. Over 95% of the circulating supply are out there. That is brilliant, brilliant, brilliant tokenomics. So we like that. So this is a yield farming protocol. Now, all of these descriptions to people new in crypto are going to seem confusing. All you need to know, if you're new and you're degen and you're following this channel, you're in basics, is that this is a degen play with very good tokenomics. Very good tokenomics, folks. So definitely worth a little dabble. So there you go. That are they are. They are the five degen coins that you can find on Revolut that are worth a little plug. So for people with high risk, high reward, again, definitely not investment advice. This is for the small part of your portfolio that you want to have a really long shot. And the reason that we go into low market cap coins is because you only need one person to invest a few million and the price shoots up. With low market cap coins, they are much more volatile, which means when crypto gaming has its day, especially for League of Kingdoms, Blue Zell, and Voxies, we only need to wait because it will have its day in the sun, and it's likely that all of these will pump. How much? Nobody knows, folks. Nobody knows. So there you go. That's just my little ramble on people with a high risk profile that are new to the space. This channel is for people that are new to the space, and if you're still watching, then please do like and subscribe because I'll be bringing these basic videos for people that are new to crypto to keep it simple and to keep out all of the nonsensical language. And there's another little video there, folks. So enjoy your crypto journey and good luck, you fellow degens.